Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Our case today, it's common Arab board, Saudi board, Jordanian board, and Egyptian board. We'll see our case here. This is 3 weeks old infant, has 1 week history of mild cough with thick nasal secretion. Thick nasal secretions. In the last 12 hours has developed what is spasmodic coughing fits. So spasmodic coughing, this is clue for whooping cough or pertussis, during which he's become cyanosis. During the spasmodic cough, the patient, it was cyanosis. During this cough, the patient looks like tired. She has lost her weight since 2 weeks visit, and family has not taken her temperature, but she has been feeding less and has not voided about 16 hours. About 16 hours. You decide to admit this patient for oxygenation, hydration, and observation. But what is the most appropriate management consideration for this patient? So our case, this is 3 weeks with whooping cough, spasmodic cough, cyanosis, and during the attacks, the patient is tired also, and he lost the weight and he's not passing urine for almost 16 hours. So our impression, this is pertussis like illness or whooping cough. So the action to admit, observation, hydration, oxygenation. Then what is the next step? To isolate. Isolation and what? Respiratory isolation and the droplet precaution. You have to isolate this patient and you have to make it respiratory isolation and the droplet precaution and the droplets precautions. So infant under 2 months of the age are not yet immunized against the pertussis, and as such are increased risk for contracting the disease. So this patient is less than 2 months, so is at risk and not immunized, so at risk of to contracting the disease, to take the disease. So pertussis usually has 3 distinct stages. This is called catarrhal stage, paroxysmal stage, and convalescent stage. There is 3 stages, but this patient actually is in what? In paroxysmal stage. So paroxysmal actually is tiring to the patient, and many of the infant experience of the post-tussive emesis and cyanosis, and pertussis most common communicable disease known to spread by droplet infection or erosion by the coughing. So what are going to do here? You have to isolate these patients in with precaution or droplet precaution, with droplets precaution. Also, children are immunized against what? Pertussis. Immunity is now thought to be when in the adult years it will decrease. By adult year it will decrease. So hospitalization of the patient suspected having pertussis and should be isolated with droplet precaution. This is the message. This is the key point. Patients with pertussis or whooping cough or spasmodic cough, you have to admit, hydration, oxygenation, and observation and isolation. We call it respiratory isolation and droplet precaution. ومن أحيا فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا. شكرا. السلام عليكم.